All right, you guys, A&E Auto Sales. It's a 2010 Challenger. I drove it. It drove good. First, my starter went out. I got that swapped out, and then I parked, and then the car died. It'll crank, or you just go like, it'll just act like it was gonna start, like, but it would not start at all. So I came over here and I checked. I swapped, the starter relay, which is let's see, what's this one right here. This is a starter relay. This is the 30 amp fuse right here. This one gives power to this. And I swapped this out, and since it was cranking but it was not starting, I also changed number 6 fuse, which number 6 fuse is injectors, coils. Yeah, it's the fuse for the injectors and coils. I don't know if you guys can read it right there. First one right here. And that's number 6 right here. So that's this one right here. See? This one. The front box and the engine. So I swapped this out, and then I swapped this one and this one out. And boom, the car started up. So help you guys out. If you have a 2010 Challenger and it's just turning over but it's not starting, then that could be your problem right there. All right, see you guys.